Have you ever felt like your heart was completely broken? Maybe someone you trusted walked away. Maybe the pain feels too heavy to carry. Today, Jesus has a message for you. Don't keep your broken heart closed. Bring it to me. The world may see your tears, but only Jesus can truly heal the wounds no one else can see. He is saying to you today, I still care about you. I still love you. And I will never leave you. Every tear you've cried, every silent prayer you've whispered, God has seen it all. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. Your broken heart is not the end of your story. When you place it in Jesus' hands, He can restore your hope, renew your strength, and fill your life with His perfect love. Open your heart today. Let Jesus heal what the world could never fix. If you believe, comment, Jesus, heal my heart, and share this message with someone who needs hope today. God bless. Amen.